Good morning to all. Ours is a government school located in a rural area. We are running the school with both Telugu and English medium. Around 400 students are studying in our school. With the reluctant initiation of our HM sir, dedicated and task-oriented working nature of all subject teachers along with the commitment of our students, parents, we are getting 10 GPS in our school.
A. Sugunakar, Headmaster, behalf of ZPHS Pamlaparti, Markuk Mandal, Siddipet District, Telangana State, conveying my thanks and best wishes to Rishi Foundation. Since 2017, Rishi Foundation under the initiation of Priyanka Madam has been extending its right hand to our school. Our school teachers and students both are enlightened to use games and sports material, green boards, desktops, laptop, microscopes, dictionaries and smart TV donated by you in their teaching learning activities. By using green boards, teaching learning is made interesting to both teachers and students. Using microscopes in science classes, creating scientific inquiry among our students. Dictionaries are being used by our language teachers in classroom to develop language skills. IIT books are generating competitive spirit among our students, especially Smart TV access to our teachers to attend their online subject orientation classes. Really our students enjoying learning through Smart TV. Watching digital and online classes through Smart TV made our students more happy, and computers are made available to our rural area and poor students. I have seen 1,000 lights in their eyes while interacting with computers. Smokeless stoves are being used by our MDM cooking agency, avoiding pollution and protecting their health also. So, whatever material is given by you is used in a proper and careful manner. Public representatives like MPP, ZPTC and SMC chairman, while visiting to our school, came to know about the equipment donated by you and appreciated you a lot. Even education department higher officials also praised your kind-hearted support to government school children. Our midday meal cooking agency is conveying their gratitude to you. Our school teachers and students are thankful to you. So once again, I convey my wholehearted thanks to Rishi Foundation. Almighty may equip you with what you desire. Thank you, Rishi. Thank you a lot. We are expecting same and enriched support in upcoming future also. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Rishi Foundation.
These are the dictionaries donated by Rishi Foundation. Let us see how these are used by the students.
Yes, let us see the meaning of the torso with the help of dictionaries. Okay? Torso. And I have already explained you how to use dictionary earlier. Now, who will tell me the meaning of torso here? See first in the dictionary. Search. Yes, good. Search. T. The letter T and go.
The main part of the body not including arms.
Repeat.
The main part of the body.
The main part of the body.
Not including.
Body.
Arms or legs.
Not including.
The head.
Hands.
Arms.
Hands. Sorry, hands.
Arms.
Arms. And
Legs.
legs. So this is the meaning of torso. Okay. So anyhow, now our students are also very thankful to you, Rishi Foundation. Thank you. Thank you.
We would like to convey our best wishes to Rishi Foundation USA as they helped in all our classrooms and computer lab and science lab are electrified. Now we are happy to sit in our classrooms and doing learning activities very happily. Thank you, Rishi. God bless you.
Let us see how microscopes are being used in our science classes.
Microscope will help in the magnifying the image, because the rhizopus, bacteria, protozoa, virus, these are the very minute organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye. So with the help of microscope, even today we are going to see this rhizopus. So this rhizopus is not a plant, so that we cannot see the stem, root, leaf like that structures. So the rhizopus will have the hyphae, ribbon-like structures will be there, which are called as hyphae. And at one end of the hyphae, the sporangium will be developed. The sporangium is the asexual organ of the rhizopus. Within the sporangium, by the asexual methods, the spores will be formed. So after complete formation of the spores, the sporangium will get ruptured, and these spores will transfer into the air. Through the air, they can transfer from one place to the another place. So wherever you keep a food material, then these spores can alight, and they can again start their life. Okay, so this is about rhizopus. And also this Rishi Foundation, they donated us the two very well sophisticated microscopes, and these microscopes are very useful for us. Okay, so in one microscope I kept the rhizopus slide, and in another microscope I kept typical plant cell. And what the typical plant cell will be? So generally the cell is covered by a cell wall, and below the cell wall a plasma membrane will be there, and below the cell wall and plasma membrane the total which is occupied by the cytoplasm. And in the central region you will be able to see the nucleus, and along with this nucleus various cellular organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus is also called as Golgi complex, and chloroplast and vacuole. So if you compare the animal cell and plant cell, the plant cell is very specific, because the chloroplast will be present only in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. Similarly, the cell wall is also present only in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. So in this microscope, you can able to see the total many number of cells are there. For example, on the blackboard I have drawn only single cell, but if you see in your microscope, there will be many number of plant cells. So how you will be able to see?
We find difficult to see slides of microorganisms and cells of plants and animals, but now we are able to see how a plant cell will be and what are the different organisms are present in it. We are very thankful for Rishi Foundation.
So these two microscopes are donated by Rishi Foundation USA. So these all students are most thankful to them.
It's difficult to see slides of microorganisms, cells of plants and animals. But now we are able to see practically how a plant cell will be and what are the cellular organelles present in it. These microscopes are presented by Rishi Foundation USA. We are very thankful to them.
With the help of microscope, we can see the minute organisms like bacteria, fungi, microorthopus, masses, and even virus. Rishi Foundation gives these microscope, so we are very thankful for them, and God may bless them.
With the help of microscope, we can see minute organisms like protozoa, fungi, masses, bacteria, microorthopus, and even viruses. Rishi Foundation gifted these microscopes close to us. So we are very thankful to them. God may bless them.
Round in another slow motion.
Really, we are thankful to Rishi Foundation because they donated us 10 green boards, 6 desktops. Good morning to Rishi Foundation. Really, we are thankful to Rishi Foundation because they donated us 10 green boards, 6 desktops, and many keyboards and mouse. We watched various educational programs in a big TV, which was also donated by them. While conducting cultural activities, we use mouthpiece and
The smart TV and many number of computers are ready to use by the students.
Really, we are thankful to Rishi Foundation because they donated us 10 green boards, 6 desktops, and 9 keyboards, and 6 mouses. We watched various educational programs in a big TV, which was also donated by them. While conducting cultural activities, we used mouthpiece and sound boxes, which were gifted by them. They also gifted us 6 desktops, by which we improve our computer knowledge. Thank you, Rishi Foundation. God bless you.
Mommy shark, Daddy shark, Grandma shark, Grandpa shark, shark hide and seek. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark.
Foundation. We all are using the dictionaries in learning languages. This dictionary is donated by Rishi Foundation. In these dictionaries we can learn anything, meanings. In this COVID pandemic situation we can learn a lot of things. So thank you for donating this Rishi Foundation. Thank you.
Good morning to Rishi Foundation. We are from rural areas. We don't know about computers. Now we know about computers, drawing, mathematical angles, figures, and etc. Thank you for donating us computers.
Our HM sir and all teachers are very happy to receive all these keyboards and mouses, and teachers are very happy to use these green boards in their teaching, and this laptop and desktop is also useful for students. And our science lab and computer lab electrified by this Rishi Foundation. We are very thankful to you. IIT books are used by the students, and HMs are showing this HM Smart TV to all the staff members, and all staff members are thankful to you, Rishi Foundation, and these are useful for our students. And this laptop is also used for various official activities. Particularly our HMs are use this laptop. Mandal Educational Officer of Markuk Mandal appreciated your gift, that is Smart TV, and he is Mandal President, Markuk Mandal, observing microscope, and ZPTC of Markuk Mandal is observing microscope, and our SMC Chairman Mallesham Garu is also observing the microscope. Smokeless stoves are very useful for our MDM agencies, cooking agencies.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation because they have given us desktop, laptop, smart TV. Because they have given us desktop, laptop, smart TV. Because they have given us dictionaries, game material. Because they have given us dictionaries, game material. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation because they have given us green boards and microscope. Because they have given us green boards and microscope. Because they have electrified science lab, computer lab and many more. Because they have electrified science lab, computer lab and many more. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation. Give thanks to the Rishi Foundation. We, the students of JPHS Pamlapati, Markuk Mandal, Siddipet District, Telangana, thankful